Hey everyone, welcome back to the Everett School. In this video, we're going to disable password authentication in Linux Ubuntu server and enable SSH keys for login purpose. So let's get started. Ideally, you will log into your Ubuntu Linux server in this way, where you have password authentication and then you log into the server, right? If you have enabled custom port, then you'll write -p. Otherwise, you no need to give the port number if you're running on port number 22. We have created a video where we changed our default port to a custom port number. All right. So default behavior, you have authentication, password-based authentication to your Linux Ubuntu server. Now we are going to change that to SSH keys. Okay. So to get started, first log out from the server because we need to do some work on our personal machine before getting into the server. First of all, we are going to generate SSH key pairs using this command. Okay. And enter file in which to save the key. If you want to use the same name, that is id underscore RSA, just click enter. If you want to give a new name, let's suppose you want to log into multiple Linux servers from a same machine, then you might want to consider different RSA key pair. In this case, since I only have one server, so I'll just use the same name. And this passphrase is optional. If you want to add like extra authentication or extra security to your server before logging in with the RSA key pair, what you can do, you can give a passphrase. It's just like a key to log into a server without remembering your passwords. So I'll just enter the passphrase. Okay, it's just an extra security. Let's suppose if somebody gets hands on my SSH key pairs, then it will be my passphrase that will keep my server secure. Okay, I'll just enter the passphrase again, and that is all. Okay, now it would have created a public key and a private key. I'll copy the public key to my Linux Ubuntu server. So this is how I'm going to do. Okay. Well, SSH copy ID is not recognized. Let's try a different way. So this is a different way of copying this key. So I'll just update this command. If you're Mac, then this SSH copy ID will work. Since I'm on Windows, let's try this. So cat also did not work. Well, cat is a Unix command. So I'll just search internet for this issue. Okay. Since I'm on Windows, let's try this command. Okay. That's a command for PowerShell. Let me open up. underscore keys. So it is authorized underscore keys. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Let's cross check now. So I'm going to log into my server. So SSH, my port number. Let's see if it is going to ask me password. Perfect. It's asking me the passphrase. If at all you did not set up the passphrase and made it as empty, it will directly log in to your server without asking you passphrase. So let me enter the passphrase and perfect. Now I am logged in. So this disables the password authentication on my Linux Ubuntu server and enable SSH key based authentication. Perfect. Since I am now logged into my server using the passphrase or SSH key based authentication, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove password authentication for all the users in my server. Okay, and here I'll modify this few properties. So currently it is disabled. So I'm going to uncomment this and make password authentication no. And few other things you might want to modify. Use spam. Make that no. Challenge response authentication. If you don't find that, you can enter it. Yeah, it's not there. So I'm going to enter it here. No. Okay. Control X, Y, save. So this is how I went to that file sudo nano etc ssh config. Let's restart the SSH services. Sudo systemctl restart SSH. Okay. So let's check the new configuration. I'm going to open a new terminal. And let's log in. Perfect. So I'm able to log into the server with the new configurations. And that is all. Thanks everyone and see you in the next video.